Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be my January 2022 Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm just going to be sharing with you guys what I got in the month of January's Boxycharm. So if you want to see this video, then just keep watching. So it took me a very long time to get my box because they actually said that I didn't claim it. It said unclaimed at the locker, because in my neighborhood we have like lockers to go get our mail. So I guess I never went to whatever. I never went to the locker and they put it at the post office, so I just picked it up. That's why this video is going up so late. But let's just dive right into the box. So the theme for this month's box is refreshed theme, and it's just like very like, I feel like refreshing your skin, refreshing your life, even though I didn't really get skincare, but that's what the theme is. Now the first item that I did get is from the brand Dermelect. I've gotten one thing from this brand before. I've gotten serum from this brand. I just never tried it. This is a Revitalite eyelid and dark circle corrector. So basically this addresses dark circles. It reduces the look of tight and puffy eyes. It lifts and tightens the appearance of droopy lids. It light diffuses pigment that clever and conceals damage. I don't have droopy eyelids. This type of applicator, like it's a squeezy applicator, and then you kind of just rub it under your eyes for dark circles. But I'm just gonna keep this for another day to try it because I already did my full skincare this morning, so I'm not gonna, I already added eye cream, so I'm not gonna add that. Another thing that I got that I'm not gonna try on camera is this Dipbrow by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the famous Dipbrow Pomade in dark brown. It came with this, and it also came with a 7B brush. I have that brush already. So it came with the Dipbrow and the brush together. And the reason why I'm not using the Dipbrow is because I don't know how to use it. I've tried using it and it looks very unnatural the way I do it, and I just can't get a hold of how to do it, and I don't know how to do it. So I'm just gonna pass this along to somebody else, somebody who likes the Dipbrow, somebody who uses it, and I'm just gonna stick with my pencils because that's just how I know how to do my eyebrows, and that's just what works for me. And the next thing in the palette I'm really excited to get into. This is a palette by Wonder Beauty. Is it Wander or is it Wonder? Because it's not an O, it's Wander, and like we always teach our students, an says and, Wander. Is it Wander? So anyway, what the palette looks like, it's very beautiful colors. To me it's more so a cool toned type of palette. I think I'm just gonna do a very basic eye look with this palette. It seems very cool toned to me, but it's really beautiful. Like, I'm really loving this shade here. This shade just looks really pretty. It's like speaking to me, but I'm just gonna create something very neutral. Maybe I'll do something yellow since I have yellow flowers on my dress today. So we'll see the look, but I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and you already know the drill. Alright guys, so I am back with my face fully done. I did my foundation and everything, and I really love this gold shade that I used on my lid area. It's so beautiful. It's very pretty. I have like a lot of golds like this, but I really love this shade. Just be careful if you have like oil or anything in your fingers and you dip it into the palette, it will kind of separate. But I can't wait to play around with these other shades in here. So the last two things that I did get are lip products. I got the Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Lip Pencil Sharpener. I got it in the shade 2.0cc. That's the color she created. I've never tried anything from Dragon Beauty. I don't really follow Nikita Dragon. I'm not a subscriber of hers, so I don't really have anything of her products, but I'm just gonna try this lip liner out. And it is a wooden lip liner, but it is so long. Like, this is one of the longest lip liners I've ever seen, so that's really nice that she creates them so large, and hopefully it's more product in here. It's retail for $18. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this. So on my skin tone, it is looking just like more like, it's brown, but it's not like a dark brown. So I'm just gonna it is looking pretty cool toned on my skin. So let's just go on top of this with the next item. The next item I got is the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Lip Quip, I guess. This is Lip Quip. Yeah, so this is Item Beauty by her, and I think this shade is called Lip Quip. I'm not sure, but I've never, again, tried anything from Addison Rae. I do know who she is, like from TikTok and stuff, but I've never, like, I know she has a makeup line, but I never like really sought out to get anything from her line. But I'm just gonna try on this lip oil. More like, it looks more corally, but I think it's gonna be clear. Just going on. And it smells so good. It smells like fruit, like guava, or like just like a nice fruit. So I do like the way the lip oil feels. I will definitely I would use it to just like on an everyday basis to kind of moisturize my lips, but this is nice, the lip oil. The lip liner is a little bit more cool tone for my liking, and it was like kind of stiff, but it is a wooden lip liner, so you know, I do expect that from it. And I forgot to do my inner corner highlight again. That is it for the January Boxycharm video. I actually really like this box. The only thing I'm like about is the lip liner, because it's kind of very cool toned. It's not really my liking for a lip liner, but aside from that, the lip oil is pretty good. It's very moisturizing. It feels like my lips feel very soft. And then I really did like the eyeshadow palette. It's very rare for me not to like an eyeshadow palette that I get from Boxycharm, but I do like this palette. And the two items, the corrector and the dip brow. I'm going to try the corrector, but the dip brow, I'm definitely not going to use that because I don't know how to use dip brow on my eyebrows. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.